Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to replace Notepad with Microsoft Edit as the default text editor on Windows 11. If your goal is to use a simple, lightweight text editor that focuses on editing plain text without extra features, Microsoft Edit is a great alternative. Microsoft has quietly brought back this classic command-line text editor for Windows 11, and you can even set it as the default app for opening .txt files. Let's get started. First, click Start. Search for Terminal. Right-click Terminal and select Run as Administrator. If the User Account Control prompt appears, click Yes. Right-click on Address Bar and choose Settings. Under Profiles, click Add a new profile. For duplicate a profile, select Command Prompt. Click Duplicate. Now select the newly created profile from the left pane. Click the name setting and rename it to Microsoft Edit. Next, open the command line setting. Replace cmd.exe with edit.exe. This tells Windows Terminal to launch Microsoft Edit instead of Command Prompt. Now click Appearance and choose your favorite color theme or font style. Once you're done, click Save. Close Windows Terminal. Next, we'll make Microsoft Edit the default app for text files. Open Settings, then go to Apps and select Default App. Search for the .txt file type. Click the current default app, which is usually Notepad. Choose an app on your PC. Browse to the following folder, Windows, then System32. In the file name box, type edit.exe. Then click Open. Finally, click Set Default. That's it. From now on, whenever you open a .txt file, Windows 11 will launch Microsoft Edit instead of Notepad. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon for more Windows 11 tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.